Come with us in this video as we explore Dingle, and later in the video we will show you Murphy's Pub Bed and Breakfast. It's been recently renovated.
Go mole is blue. Sometimes I could shoot myself. So here we are in Dingle and we're wandering around, having a look at the town. We've seen Fungi the Dolphin. We went to Murphy's Ice Cream. Now that was brilliant. We tried the sea salt, the butterscotch, the brown bread,
Yep.
and the Irish cream, the honeycomb.
Yep.
Just to name a few, they were all pretty good. The one I didn't like the most was the brown bread ones. These guys are really open. They were excited that we had the camera, that we were going to film. It gave me some information about how the sea salt one was made, and Twit didn't get any of it.
Audio.
We're not going to let that get us down. We are still going to explore Dingle. Dingle is on the west side of Ireland on the Wild Atlantic Way. Dingle is a coastal town with the Atlantic Ocean lapping its shores. It's a fishing town. It's a great little tourist town with lots to see and do. There's lots of old pubs. Being the area that it's in, Gaelic is its prominent language, so you can see examples of traditional Gaelic language everywhere you look in Dingle.
Murphy's has two locations. This is the original. Hello.
How are you?
Good. Lots of seating. You got an outdoor area as well. Outdoor area.
I don't know if I want ice cream or smoked meat. What? Still in a day or two, maybe what do you want?
Best in Ireland Awards.
Wow. Mack's local book. It's good.
This is our room. That's the view out the window. Your coffee, ginger nut biscuits to have with your cup of tea.
Ooh, done.
It's actually got quite a few power points. Don't forget your adapter. Bathroom. It's actually quite spacious, the bathroom. This is the sitting room.
We dropped into Mack's for a quick post-dinner drink. And there was a community wedding going on in the beer garden, which was such a lovely thing just to stumble upon and maybe invade a little bit.
This is the Murphy's Pub and Bed and Breakfast where we're staying. I think we have successfully broken ourselves. We're both tired and we're both very stiff this morning. The bed is a bit hard. Just talking to our server, and the hotel had actually been totally closed for a year and has had renovations, which is why everything feels so new and fresh. It only opened over the Easter weekend, so we're some of the first people to stay in those rooms. I got the mini, Phil got the full.
That's coming low. What?
To get closer.
Yeah. It's going.
At least it's going, you know. the top of the Connor Pass, so halfway through I guess, is a fairly decent sized parking area with great lookouts, although today we had a bit of a whiteout. So it is absolutely freezing. The clouds come in. Check it out and get back to Phil's driving skill. Having fun, Phil?
Yeah. Too windy for the drone up here. It's howling the gale. If you like what you saw today, why don't you like and subscribe? Now it's foggy. Can't read somebody out in front of us. I don't know if he...
This is the steep part of the Connor Pass. When you see someone, give them a wave. Have a little stop midway down. That's it for Dingle and the Dingle Peninsula. We're halfway through the Connor Pass when we do this. So we will have finished before I put this in. So if you want to see more, check the description below. As always, thanks for joining us. Travel brilliantly. Bye.